What's up, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I have an unboxing. This is a WPL C44 KM kit, metal edition. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it out of the box here. I've got them all cut but one. Look at the box here. This is the brand new release from WPL. Let's just get it out of the box. Not much box art or anything really to look at there. So, right off the bat, we got the tires and wheels. Feel pretty good. We'll get them open in a minute. Got our interior here. Seats, dash. Floorboards with full interior there. Got our, looks like our roof and our front grille is in there. Let me show you these. This does come with these are full metal axles. All metal gears. Metal housings. Metal steerings. Comes with bearings. Just some hardware. But yeah, full metal axles. Here's some linkage, metal drive shafts. Let's see what else we got in here. More hardware, ball ends, rod ends, springs, probably to build the shocks. And we got the servo. Looks like some maybe shock oil, some grease, LEDs. Keep it going here. This is probably going to be the bed. Okay, looks like we've got the skid plate, some rock slider skids here. Just a lot of the internal hardware. Got some wipers, gear shifters. Looks like maybe an antenna. There's some brake pedals, mirrors, bumpers. So this is part of the bed, and there's the hood, windshield, more body panels and parts. Here's all of our plastic lenses, windshields, headlights. This is the main part of the body. I did get the brown. They have a white that's also new, but it just did not look as good. I didn't think, so I went with the brown. Got a frame rail. Here's the two metal frame rails. this looks like the winch mount, and you got the hook. You got the rope and the hook. This is the winch assembly. Okay, here we got the motor. Probably the gearbox servo. Just a lot more metal parts in there, like drive shafts, or them's telescoping, so they're drive shafts or some. Not sure how the drive line's set up, but it's there and it's metal. Oh my God. This, what is that, wheel weights maybe? I mean, that's a lot of weight. Did not know it came with this. Well, there's 8 of them in there, so that's probably wheel weights. Oh. Here will be your instructions. Looks like there's plenty of detail to get it put together. I don't think that's going to be an issue. Here's a little sticker pack. Looks like a blank license plate. Maybe just write in your well, here's the numbers and letters. So I guess you just make your own license plate, and we got little inspection stickers. That's the sticker sheet. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, that's going to do it for the box. Here's what I really liked about this kit. This is the bed, the wooden slats, and this is real wood, and I'm glad to see that it's actually already stained. I thought I was going to be staining this myself, but no need to. This is real wood and already stained. So there you go. With the bed. And here we've got just a bag of accessories. We have, let me open this one. Okay, we have little gas cans. I guess the gas can holder. Looks like a little high lift jack, a ladder, like some type of handle for something. For the bucket. This is a handle for the bucket. The other piece of the ladder, rakes, little mounting rack so you can mount your tools to your truck. So nice little tray of accessories there. Oh, and another shovel fell off in the bag. This is a spade, square shovel. Well, that's going to do it for the unboxing. I will definitely get a video of this, a build. It ain't going to be a screw by screw build and, you know, just take forever and be 3 or 4 parts or whatever. I'll do like one hyperlapse build, and now you do not get you get motor, you do not get ESC, radio, or receiver. So remember that if you want to get this kit. If you already have one, that's great. Really, probably just have to get you an ESC, because just about everybody has a remote laying around that they're not using, or can just grab an extra receiver for it. So this is quite a lot we got going on here. Love these metal axles. So yeah, the new WPL C44 KM, and I'm assuming the KM means for the kit metal. Maybe, I don't know, don't say. They offer brown and white, and I got the brown. So looking forward to getting this one together. If anyone is interested in this, I will leave a link with a coupon. Like always, check out the spreadsheet and use the coupon. There's no reason not to use the coupon. I make sales all the time and you don't use the coupon, so I don't know what people's doing to go to the spreadsheet, use my link, and then not use the coupon. So I mean, I make a little more if you don't, because of course it costs more and I get commission. So but what little bit I make on commission, I would much rather see you guys save money than me make $3 on a sale. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you join me for the build and ultimately the run video. Yeah, I'm going to open these tires. Might as well, huh? And you do get 5 spare. You get 5 tires, so you get a spare. 5 tires and 5 rims. So here's a look at the rims. And here's a look at the tires. Give you a side shot there. They don't have anything wrote on them, but I mean, they feel. Let me try to pop one on the rim real quick. Of course, I ain't got any glue right now, but thought I had it and it popped right back out on me. Get in there. All right, there we go. I'm going to go something like that and have the wheel weights on the inside, and looks like you get some little retainer clips to go on the 2 holes there and hold these together. And then of course you would just put the tire on over top of those, but that is going to seriously add some weight to these wheels. And with the the metal axles, all the metal on this thing, I would say this is going to be a pretty capable little 16 scale. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. I didn't intend for this video to go that long, but it did. So hope you join me for the build. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.